crazy.
It's a little chilly, a little wet, but you know, I think that the unexpectedness of this can kind of be a little exciting,